How to delete a secondary account on your Instagram? Well, let me quickly show you how it's done. So first step, you go to Instagram and go to the profile that you want to delete. And once you're in your profile that you want to delete, you go to your profile, go to this place, and then you go to settings. And in settings, you click on help and you go to the help center. And when you're in the help center, you type in how to delete my account. If it is showing this way, then all you have to do is click back and then go to privacy and security help. Click on the first thing, which is age requirements. And over here you can see there's this option called delete their account. Click on it, and once you're here, you click on this highlighted text where it says delete your account page. And once you click on it, it brings you to this delete your account page. All you have to do is select a reason, and once you're here, you have to re-enter the password before you delete the account. And once you click on delete, the account gets deleted. And once the account gets deleted, there's some time period between which you can undelete your account if in case you want it back. But other than that, the process is done and the account has been deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.